Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Keycloak for secure UI login customization, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the Keycloak admin console by entering the admin URL in your web browser. Log in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Realms section in the left side menu. Click on the Add Realm button to create a new realm for your application. Fill in the necessary details such as the realm name and any additional settings required for your setup. After creating the realm, go to the Clients section. Click on Create to add a new client for your application. In the client configuration, enter the client ID. Select the appropriate protocol, typically OpenID Connect. Set the client access type according to your needs, such as public or confidential. Save the configuration to register the client. Next, navigate to the Authentication section. Here, click on the Flows tab to create or modify authentication flows. Choose an authentication flow that best fits your customization needs, or create a new one. Access the flow and click on the Add Execution button to add specific execution steps. Select the required authentication mechanisms like username, password, OTP, or social login. Adjust the execution order as necessary to fulfill your authentication logic. Return to the client configuration and set the valid redirect URIs. Configure the appropriate logout redirect URIs to ensure a smooth user experience. Next, move to the Themes section in the main menu. Select the theme settings and customize the login theme to reflect your brand. You can either modify the default theme or upload a new one. Test your authentication flow by navigating to the specified client URL. Ensure that the login UI reflects your customization. Review the Keycloak logs for any errors during the authentication process. If necessary, make adjustments to the flow or theme based on the test results. After validating the entire authentication setup, document your configuration for future reference. Finally, share your successful setup with your team or stakeholders for transparency and collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.